Are you confident in your English vocabulary? Well, you might be surprised. Today we are uncovering 10 English words that most people use incorrectly, even native speakers. Stick around till the end, and you'll never misuse these words again. Literally. People often say, I was literally dying of laughter. But were they actually dying? Probably not. Literally means exactly as stated, with no exaggeration. Correct. The room was literally silent, you could hear a pin drop. Incorrect. I'm literally starving to death. Ironic. Alanis Morissette made this word famous, but not always correctly. Ironic means something that is opposite of what you expect. Correct. A fire station burning down, that's ironic. Incorrect. Missing the bus on a rainy day isn't always ironic, it's just unlucky. Peruse. When someone says, I just perused the article quickly, they likely mean they skimmed it. But peruse actually means to read thoroughly and carefully. Correct. I perused the contract before signing it. Decimate. This word is used to describe complete destruction. But did you know, decimate originally meant to kill 1 in every 10. Today, it can mean severe damage, but not total destruction. Example, the wildfire decimated the forest, leaving very little behind. Enormity. Enormity sounds like it means enormous size, but actually, it refers to great evil or horror. Correct. The enormity of the crime shocked the world. Disinterested. This is not the same as being bored. Disinterested means neutral or unbiased, not lacking interest. Correct. We need a disinterested judge in the case. Incorrect. I was disinterested in the movie, should be uninterested. Irregardless. Technically a word, but still not considered standard English. The correct word is simply regardless. Incorrect. Irregardless of the facts. Correct. Regardless of the facts, we made a decision. Bemused. People use bemused to mean amused. But it actually means confused or puzzled. Correct. He looked bemused by the question. Nauseous. When you say, I feel nauseous, technically you're saying you make other people sick. The correct phrase is, I feel nauseated. That smell made me feel nauseated. Ultimate. Ultimate doesn't just mean cool, it actually means the final or most extreme version of something. Correct. The ultimate goal is fluency in English. Bonus tip. Language is always evolving, but understanding word origins helps us use English powerfully and precisely. Which of these words surprised you most? Okay, now it is a quiz time. What's the correct use of peruse? A. Skim quickly. B. Read thoroughly. C. Ignore. Comment the answer. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and share with your English learning friends. Comment below, which word did you use wrong before?